Okay, so I'm just going to unbox this brand new Xbox console. It's the Xbox Series S. As you can see, it has this larger sort of black fan area on the side. It's got a redesigned controller, and this has got a internal 512GB solid state drive and various other things. We'll have a look as we unbox it. So I've just broken the seal there, so lift the lid up. Let's have a look. What have we got? There's the box. It's got that nice big Xbox logo on the inside of this, which is used to obviously protect from above. And the first thing that occurs to me or strikes me is it's tiny. It's really quite small. I've had an Xbox One S, and by comparison, this has got a much smaller footprint. It says power your dreams. I'm just going to lift it out. So we've got a little guide as well, which seems to be telling you how to put batteries into your controller and stuff. I've actually got a little diagram of the back of the Xbox. You can see that it's got an Ethernet port, USB ports, HDMI, and stuff. Actually, I'm reading it in, was that Spanish? Yeah, let's try the English one. There we go. I can understand that better. Storage expansion and a power socket. Does it come with an HDMI cable? Let's have a look in this secret compartment. It's got a power cable there. The HDMI cable. A product and regulatory guide, including the warranty. And in here, I believe that's the controller, so it comes with a white controller as well. There are bundles where you can get an additional controller, I know, but this one's just got the one. So let's have a look inside the actual dream powering bit here. Just going to break that seal. So here it is. You know, the first impressions are this is about the size of a regular box of Kleenex, something like that. I'll measure it up though so you can get a good look. So it's like just over 27.5 centimeters wide. Diagonally it's about 31 centimeters. About 15 centimeters deep. About 6 centimeters. It's very dinky, very cool. So, you know, you'll also notice no disk drive. You can't be playing disc games on these things. It's got a USB socket in the front and a connect button there. Presumably, as with the previous model, this will light up when it's on. Ventilation on the sides, there you go, and on the top. And let's have a look at the back as well. So we've already seen this in the manual, haven't we? But there it is in real life. And underneath, just a little bit of ventilation there too. Okay, very cool. Okay, so here's the Xbox One S alongside the Xbox Series S. You can see that there's a considerable distance in terms of depth or width there. They're about the same length, more or less. Not a lot in that. And actually, they're probably about the same height. Not a lot of difference there, but all in all, a much smaller box. As you can see, when you put them alongside each other, I'll put one on top. There you go. So it's going to take up a lot less space.